नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं ज्योति और आज हम करेंगे कुछ क्लिनजिंग ब्रेथ। अभी सभी जगह पे थोड़ा कफ, थोड़ा कोल्ड और कोविड, ब्रीदिंग इश्यूज, वेदर चेंज, बहुत देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच आर ब्रिंगिंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ कफा एंड कोल्ड. So few simple breathing techniques to clear your lungs, to clear your throat and clear your upper respiratory tract. Just relax. Take any meditative pose, Padmasana, Sukhasana. Sit comfortably tall, keeping your spine straight. First one is Mukha. Take both the hands back, open your shoulders, open your chest. I'm holding both the hands back with each other. My right palm is holding the left elbow and the left elbow is holding the right palm. So you can see that. Take a nice deep inhale, and in simple language I can say it candle blowing breath. So instead of one shot, I'm going to blow the candle in many shots. So breathe in, and as you breathe out, we keep going down. जैसे हम birthday candles blow करने वाले हैं, as if I'm going to blow my birthday candles, and there are many. So I can't blow them in one single breath. I need few exhalations. So 10, 12, 15, as slow as, and you have to empty the lungs. So breathe in, you can go completely down, relax there, inhale and come back. And relax. Breathe in, nice deep. You can start with 5 to 6 rounds. It's very safe. Mukha, it's very safe. You can start with 5 to 6 rounds, and you can, depends on your condition, increase the number of rounds to 10 to 12 or 15 rounds. If you are in a cold place where there's a lot of cold throughout the year, you can use it even more. Or if you are a kapha person, kapha dominant person who catches cold, cough easily, who often has breathing issues, you can use it more often. Breathe in. You can rest down a bit. It's your choice. Stay there for 5 to 10 seconds. Feel calm and relax and gradually come back. And this was our Mukha Bhastrika. The second breath is variation of Bhastrika, single nostril Bhastrika. Your spine is tall and straight, mind is super relaxed. You have started purifying the lungs. The second one, close the right side. Little forceful inhalation and exhalation from the left side. So either you go by the count or by the time. If you are doing with the right side for 1 minute, do with the left side also 1 minute. If you are doing 10 counts to the right side, please repeat the 10 counts to the left side also. If your eyes are closed and you can't see the time, just go with the counts. Okay, so close. I'm taking Pranam Mudra variation. And relax. Observe the changes. Inhale. Lock your breath inside and bring the chin down. Jalandhar Bandha. Hold the breath inside. Absorb the benefits. Slowly exhale and come back. I'm going to do right nostril Pastrika. So same way, I'll close this nostril now. Forceful inhale and exhalation. I did almost 15 counts to the left side, so I'm going to repeat 15 to the right also. Followed by Jalandhar Bandha. Inhale, lock your breath through the chin. Bring your chin down to the throat. Hold as long as you are comfortable. Do not force anywhere. That's the first rule of pranayama, yoga and meditation. Everything should be effortless. Dhanyavad. Thank you. Namaste.